Good morning, investors. It's Friday, October 2025, and markets are still walking a tightrope as traders await fresh clues from U.S. consumer data. Let's jump into today's numbers. Starting with the positives, Bitcoin holds above $121,000, while the Dow Jones stays elevated around 46,358 points, despite some pressure. The long-term uptrend remains intact, showing investor confidence is still alive.
But not without a few cracks showing. The Dow Jones slipped 0.52%, S&P 500 down 0.28%, and Nasdaq eased 0.08%. Gold fell to $3,965 an ounce, while oil declined to $61.31, and Ethereum dropped 0.58%, all reflecting cautious sentiment before key data hits the tape.
Markets are digesting mixed signals, economic data remain foggy, and investors are turning to the upcoming bank earnings season for clarity on growth and consumer strength.
Exactly. And concerns are rising after Fed's Mary Daly warned the labor market is reaching a worrisome point, suggesting policymakers may keep a close eye on employment softness before adjusting rates.
Meanwhile, futures slightly edged higher ahead of today's University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, a key pulse check on how Americans feel about inflation and spending.
If sentiment weakens and inflation expectations rise, we could see pressure on risk assets, especially tech and crypto, which have been sensitive to rate outlooks.
But if consumer confidence holds steady, it may give bulls a reason to step back in, especially with earnings season, possibly revealing stronger than feared corporate results.
Today's key events to watch: FOMC member Goolsbee speaks, followed by preliminary University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These could set the tone for next week's market direction.
That's your quick market wrap for October 10th. Stay focused and trade wisely. Every number tells a story.
And we'll be here to help you read between the lines. See you tomorrow.